It's a 2018 Acura MDX. The strong pedigree of this luxury SUV comes from defining what precision-crafted performance is all about. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto tilt-away steering column, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, high safety scores, i-VTEC toys, powerful engine with decent fuel economy, and relatively large third-row seat for a mid-size luxury SUV. Acura has a legacy of innovation, a legacy that continues here. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Herb Connolly Acura of Framingham, part of the Herb Connolly Automotive Group, where the customer comes first. We're located at 500 Worcester Road in Framingham.